Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by signing into the Zoom web portal because the host key lives in your profile and you need it now. Once logged in, open Profile and locate the 6-digit host key. Copy it or write it down so you can enter it when prompted. Make sure to change it if it looks generic, since this protects your meetings. After that, enable any account security settings you require and keep the key confidential. Do not share it in chat or public notes. Join the meeting normally, whether you are listed as participant or need to claim host mid-meeting. This is the practical step. Once inside, open the More menu or the Manage Participants panel and choose Claim Host or Claim Host Controls. Then type the 6-digit host key exactly and submit. Zoom will transfer host privileges to you. This process works because the key verifies your identity without changing your signed-in account. If successful, you can start recording, admit attendees, and manage settings. After claiming host, confirm the host icon appears and that controls like recording and participant management are enabled for you. If the key did not work, leave and rejoin, then re-enter the key. If it still fails, sign into the web portal and reset your host key and profile, then try again. Also make sure your Zoom app is updated because older clients can block host transfers. One quick troubleshooting tip: if someone else is already host, ask them to pass host or to relinquish host first.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.